I'm at the swap meet at the Volusia County Fairgrounds, and I found this very cool Dyna Trike conversion. It's got very cool, like two-tone paint. I mean, she's a little rough and needs some work, but it'd be interesting to find out more about her. It's actually got a Corvette rear end. Got a little dragon here in the paint, if you can see it from the sun glare. They said it's a 2002 Dyna, and they're asking $10,000. She definitely has some potential. Alright, so we're going to continue on, but just wanted to get a little extra footage of this Dyna. Never seen one with this conversion on a Dyna. Like the ones that are unique and not cookie cutter. Bye for Miss Ruckus.